Tuesdays. We all know what happens on Tuesdays. It's chaos time. What kind of chaos? VR chaos. It always happens. Just getting absolutely bombarded with hydration, with iced tea, and with regular hydration, and snacks from Twitch stream, and then just absolute mess from the damn code that I'm writing. It's absolutely awful. Help me. With a hydro iced tea, I guess. Yeah, someone's. Yeah, Friday James Jr. Welcome, everyone, to VR Tuesdays, the show where I code my own avatar system for no damn reason, just because I want to, and because it's fun, and because I guess it can be useful for some people. How y'all doing? I hope y'all doing good tonight. Alright, pretty fun on my end. Got immediately a nice redeem. Hell there, Junior. That was quick. Man, you replace your E's with hydration with iced tea, huh? Well then, I guess that's something that can happen. Ain't that right, Junior? Yeah, ain't that right? Ain't that right? E. There's the E. That's what I was expecting. I had your head blacked out. Damn right. Boy, yeah, because you're so damn redeemed it, you know exactly what time it is, right? That's that. It's called the one, the silent blaze. Refreshing. Hopefully y'all doing good tonight. Yeah, this IT's not moldy, let's go. Yeah, I've been very unlucky with my iced tea these days. 3 out of 6 big cans, they ended up being fermented for some reason. I don't know how that happened. Like, there's absolutely no reason for that to have happened. But I'm certainly not ordering a big can anymore until they fix this. I'm only gonna stick to the regular lemonade tea from Risk. And if that also does the same thing, I'm switching to Arizona. Still, pretty good iced tea. How you doing? Sounds like a flashbang, Ruther. They're a flashbang. I don't have a flashbang avatar, but I have avatars. Like this guy. I have avatars. You want avatars? You also have games on your phone. Yeah, good old VR Tuesdays. We're back at it, baby. Tonight, I'm probably gonna do some avatar menu stuff again. What could I do for it? So, yeah, I'm gonna have to reopen the code, of course, and everything. Where's the Unity project? Coffee makes stuff. Hello. Hello, welcome. Right on time. Oh, hub update. Who cares? Just open my sticky project. Can I get an iconic Minecraft? What do you mean by iconic Minecraft? There you go. I laugh for no damn reason. That's my thing. I literally just laugh for no goddamn reason. It's like if I was drunk, but every single damn day. Yes, that is me. So don't make me drink because else I will absolutely lose my shit. Or it's being sleep drunk as well. I don't know anymore. I'm fucking tired. Hey, Dev. Hey, Nakato. Burn! Winter. It become drunk in the winter. So we're gonna new avatar today. Ooh, new avatar. What you making? A new base? A new base? A new base? Noise. Personal. Looks like a new base. Technically, it's one. If it's from scratch. But don't be tell it. Yeah. That's fair. I feel like I'm the complete opposite. I've made a bunch of models, but never for people to get. So it was definitely refreshing when I got this out. TV check. You're comfortable doing stuff for yourself. Aww. Shouldn't be. It's fun. And you can also use it for yourself. Wait, hang on a minute. You can make something for yourself to use it for yourself. Yeah, I just said that. But if you make something for yourself, doesn't mean you cannot use it for, like, you cannot give it to the others. But still, yeah, it's always fun to make something for yourself. What, you see it so far? Yeah, if you want, like, if it, like, of course, that 3D model, like, you can post it in my Discord. Your 3D. I'll probably take a look later, because I have my VR assistant to code. Absolute goddamn mess. Yes, this absolute mess of a project is getting ridiculous. But it's getting there. Slowly but surely, it's getting there. We're gonna have to open a Visual Studio again. Open G# project. And become a valley. Because why not? Go Visual Studio! Yay! It's not detected by OBS. OBS, are you doing? Oh wait, hang on a second. That's right, my game capture is completely messed up. Well, to be fair, it's not showing either. It's not detected. Now it should be detected. Let me double check the transform to see if they messed up. OBS, what did you do to my damn things? There. Thanks, OBS. Love you, but I still hate you. OBS at times. Anyway, the menu system. We're in for a wild ride, ain't we? I doesn't know about. Oh, wait, you have a Vargirl? Really? The Vargirl era? Are you serious? Damn! I mean, too fast. I did that bot beat. Oh my god, you actually do. What the heck, Jesus. To be fair, I built my bot before the Vargirl era was a thing, and I 100% knew that no one in my server or ever would fucking get the XR3, so I didn't consider it. You know what? Am I quickly? Can I add the rule for? Damn it! Hang on a second. Little boy, gotta fix something here. Gotta get some new headsets for for the server. Because there's a couple new things. Hang on, right. Create role. Hang on. Facebook Quest Pro. First off. Where did that one go? That one went over there. Go server, save it. Yee. Can I reorder? Yee. Facebook Quest Pro. Then get a couple ones. So I'm gonna need one for that, that, and that. So 3 new rows. Larger arrow. Oh wait, I need up more. Right, there's also the peak. Oh shit. Oh god, and I also need my bot to have those links out. God damn it. Forgot about that. Larger arrow. Pimax Crystal, because that's going to be a thing in the future. Pimax 12K. Pico 4. China 4. Come on, server. There we go. Add this in. I'm gonna put the virtual arrow up here. Go for what about quest? Then those Pimaxes, put them here and here. Okay, so those are just visuals. They should not actually have any permissions. Yeah. Jesus, Black Cat, you want to buy everything? Damn it. Okay, so the roles are added in the server. Now I have to add it into the bot. Oh boy. And right, that server does not have a... Oh god. I did not put... There's no mouse on the server, so I can't see my mouse. Hang on. Visual Studio Code. This one. There you go. Oh god, this. I can't see. Crap. Yeah. That Alt F4. Where's my mouse? There we go. Got it out. Okay, let me add that to the bot now. Yeah, both of the arts use. Hang on. Yeah, take a look in a sec. Okay, god damn it, now I have to add the variables for it. X. And I have to add this as a role. Okay, copy that role ID. Oh god, why did I do that? There we go. Hey, it doesn't want to paste, damn it. Copy. There. Okay, got that up. Also, I misspelled it. Can I get the light? No, I can't. Dang it. Yeah, without a mouse, it's complicated. I get that one now. Get this one. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay, that one is put in now. This one. Oh, you're back. I'm still adding the headsets to the box. Which one that could be? I copied. Yeah, not that. Ah, boy. So this one. And then this one. Ah! That's all right. Perfect. And now the Vario. Vario. Where's my mouse again? There's my mouse. Hi. Be good. So 5 new headsets. 4 or 5 IDs. Okay. Now I gotta add that to the bot. Somehow. And that's to unfold it. Great. Boy. That's gonna be an absolute damn pain, potentially. Okay. Well, if I do this. Okay, I can just do this. It should. I just changed this. Do that. And that. Okay, so that's one. And now I'm not showing my screen because I don't actually want to show the bot code. Alright. Another one. That's gonna be Crystal. And then the two, the Pico and the Quest Pro. Pico. so now... Okay, this clears it. I might have to do that later, because this is getting... That's complicated, because now I have to modify every single damn letter of the thing. I'm gonna have to do that later, unfortunately. But I can give you the role manually instead. So it's gonna be watch our arrow. And okay, where's the other one? There you go. You got your rows. Set it manually. Also nice, eh? Ooh, oh, wow, actually, yeah, that avatar looks really good. That face. Nice. Beautiful. We like it. Anyway, bat, code we go. Absolute awful code. Also, by the way, as a little thing, I don't know if you've noticed something in my stream, but now I've got a treat stream, so if you want to send me a treat, you can. Little fun fact. They're all kind of sugary, and yeah, I'm gonna close them at like, what's gonna be the 1 hour and a half point, because it takes like an hour to deliver. And I have work tomorrow, so I don't want to get a sugar rush. But, yeah, I have it open because I like those treats. And if I can finish them in one stream, I can just store them in the fridge. No problem. Alright, now we're actually gonna start the code. Like, oh man, I've started the code again late on this. Man, I'm gonna never finish this damn thing. Okay, so what was I doing last time? I did some organizing a little bit. There's no errors. Right, I think I was doing this. Right, yeah, so functions for menu groups. And yeah, that returns a menu item. Okay. So I can get a menu item, I can add a menu item. Okay, so a menu group is gonna be kind of like what the scriptable object uses. Why not try, you know what? I got, okay, get menu, add menu, set menu to type. Which I think it's like between many types. And also because I have a menu group class, I can actually go back into not this one. Oh no, yeah, this one. Menu item, subgroup. Which I can derive from menu item. Yeah, I'm curious. For which I want potentially to have that. You know what? I got by defaulting when I set parameter ends. That way you open the menu, it can set a parameter to something else. I could also do another thing. Open state here on the slider. Which when it is executed, but that needs an array of some sort. I might, to be safe, have a new value again here. That way, open state, I can set the value to value on, which will simulate the behavior of your chat, where you open up a slider from 0 to 1. And when you open it, it triggers a variable to turn. The subgroup, however, I'm gonna put an open state. And I'm gonna put a menu group. Just gonna create like that. So when I execute, I don't need an update. I don't need a reset. There's no read either. Can I change the type of this for like a return menu group? No. No, I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna need something else. I'm gonna put here a virtual menu group to actually get that group. Go. And then a read group instead, which I want to return the menu group. That way I can get the entirety of it. And right, that's a set parameter. Because I do want to set the open state. I do want a different variation of it. But I don't think I can. I'm going to duplicate this. As a virtual. I need to be able to set it over here. So menu group equals a new menu group. Like that. Okie dokie. So now I can set the menu. Shut up, Windows. Now I can set the menu group. I can read that group. So the goal is through the object that's going to actually process the menus. When you click a menu group, it saves the current one into some kind of history. And it loads the menu group that's attached to that object. And it's gonna load it up. And if you press back, it's gonna go back one in the history and load that menu group. So now it's just a question of anything. So I can get the menu item. I can return a menu item. I can add a menu item. Which I need to return the item. That's going to be an interesting one, huh? Through scriptable objects, it's going to be an interesting one. I can set a menu to a certain type. For which case number 3 here. Will be menu item subgroup and parse it like that. And that should parse. No problem. Hopefully. I need, of course, a function to actually delete one of the menu items. So I don't need to actually create one. if index is -1, so to remove act, like if you don't provide an index, I'll just assume that you're trying to delete the last one on the list. Like, oops, I added one extra, delete it. So for that, I want to do dot count -1. Else, I want to remove at index. I also want to try if actually, yeah, I want to put a maximum to the amount of menus you want to can put. What should be the max of that? Yeah. Well, hi Austin. And load of water. How you doing? Back to your roots. Yes. Bedtime. Oh, wait, well, if it's time for you to go to bed, then you have a good night, Kathy. Honestly, yeah, I mean, I see the look. I was like, no, I got bad to sleep. No, I see the look. So, yeah, have a good night. Thanks for tuning by. Great model. Ian. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. Pretty good. Just so you know, no one ordered a snack yet. Just to let you know. No to the line, please. Ukrainian and broke both. Oh no! A big F. Stop. Because I wish I don't stop. We'll get a job. That's just. Oh yeah, I gotta go save your money. I can take care of my snacks, I guess. Always the same things over and over again. Yeah, you're gonna go get subs again. Jesus Christ. Holy crap. You beast. The beast water. They cannot be stopped. Jesus Christ. Well, yes, it is a problem. Yes, it is a problem. Save your fucking monies. Does that seem healthy? Alright, if menu items that count is bigger than what should be the limit? Can't help it, get Muffin.
And my arm.
Is that right? I ain't the cutie. I was ready for targets for once I do get a job. Oh, I wonder what your target's gonna be, huh? What's gonna be your main target, huh? Damn. How many menus should I put as a limit? I could do 10. Well, Austin, thanks, Junior. I got the milkshake for you. But I'll be the. Milky Shakey. Thanks, Junior, for the chocolate milkshake. That's gonna be a different height, right? Milkshake cover. Yep, that sounds about right. That is sound about right. I'm never actually, as I said in the past, I've actually never tried really milkshake. So I'm actually really curious to see how that's gonna turn out. And I get a milkshake. Man, well, time to open up the camera again. Where's my thing? Here. Probably should have opened my eyes, huh? Alright, well, expect that milkshake for in an hour from now. So, yeah, stay tuned because I'm gonna have a milkshake. Gonna keep this open here. Well then. Yeah, as I was gonna say, in terms of the limit of menu counts, I will do 10, I think. Gives a little more than something like VRChat, and it fits perfectly well on the Stream Deck, the regular size one. Though it wouldn't fit under the new one. Because the new one is actually, because it's the Stream Deck Plus, which I've seen, it's a bit different. It is it's a 4x2, so 4 horizontal, 2 vertical, but it also has 4 knobs at the bottom, and then a touchscreen with values and stuff, and the knobs can also be clicked. So it's definitely different, but even like 4x8, it will not be enough buttons for like the extra ones you're gonna need. That's just for the webcam. Thing is, however, especially for the slider, the knobs would actually be useful. Potentially. So I'm gonna have to think that one through. Anyway, because that's like there, I could potentially start with 8. That way it makes it easier for like selection with like quad arrows. But I could boost it to 10. Potentially. At least while the system is being made. So if the menu item count is larger or equal to the limit, return. And for now, I'm gonna put a debug log here. The maximum amount of items for this menu total of count limit no more items can be added unless one is removed. I'm going to do a log warning for that one. So, item. Things on my phone. Why so many things on my phone? I get games on my phone. Yeah, this error needs to change. So that I know 100% it will never fail. Because many items always exists. So only here it can fail. So menu group. What our name is. Does not contain an item at index. So that error is exact. Remove item here. Same error. I actually don't want to return any item. I just want to return. And I actually don't need a return. I can just do like this and it's fine. Because the catch only triggers if the try has an error. And set menu to type, that's also fine. So I can add a menu, remove a menu, get a menu, and then set a menu to type. But I can't edit the values inside that menu yet. So what should I do here potentially? Careful, wire though. I am also in the middle of backing stuff up at the moment. I don't want to corrupt anything. It'll be done by tomorrow. Because yeah, currently my new computer does not have any data on it. I'm currently backing up all of my computers onto a massive backup drive. And any project that is not being streamed, so not via webcam, not the AVGen, potentially not the CVR world, like anything that I potentially stream will stay on this main computer. But everything else will go on Blackbird, which is the name I gave the computer, Blackbird. Because it's literally just black. Just a little tiny bit of RGB, but that's it. Because the RAM. and the GPU I could not choose. The tiny RGB. Alston, have you actually seen the PC? Have you actually seen the PC or not? I wonder. I can pop. No, I'm actually modding a stream. Yeah, check this out. Hang on a second. That thing. It works. I could not put the RAM to the 4000. Oh yeah, with a massive fucking 40 face. Yeah, that's a 4090 right there. I somehow managed to snag one on day one. I don't know how that happened, but I did. If you want my 3090 that I have spare, buy it for me. Yes, 4090, yes. It's absolutely massive. It's so massive. You can see kind of in the back here, there is an anti-sag bracket included with the graphics card. Because it would just sag, just... Yeah, but I mean, to be fair, this is just an absolute fucking beast, For any kind of workload I need to throw at it, Blender, Resolve, Headroom, whatever, Unity, who cares? I got the GPU for it, 128 gigs of RAM at 3600. I have a, I don't know, what is it, a 5950X. I got 8TB total SSD storage, two 2TB NVMe's, and then 4TB SSD. It's an absolute monster fucking beast. Which, indeed, yes, barely to run Neos. I should probably try Neos. To be fair, I went to VR Chat, one of the most unoptimized games on the planet, and I ran pretty much every single world at 90 frames on the GPU. I ran it fully 90 frames a second on Pimax AKX native res, so 4K screens per eye at 90 Hz. Ran absolutely no problem on the GPU. It's so fast that it's my CPU that's bottlenecked. Like, my GPU was just cruising, but the CPU had a lot of trouble. I wouldn't be surprised if it could run Neos, honestly. I would actually need to try Neos. No, it's not Tesla. At this point, it's the goddamn NASA computer. And those can barely run Minesweeper anyways. Alright, back to this shit I go. Enough talking about my computer anyway. I was saying that the computer I just showed. Yeah, there's not the data on it yet, so I'm doing massive backups, and I'm gonna transfer anything I need over there. Get together. Oh no! Yeah, I'm doing good. I think you're not doing fine, from what I'm hearing. Poor you. But yeah, I'm doing good. Just messing around with code here. It's beautiful. So how would I go about this? Probably, well, actually, I can return a parameter base. At base. Set parameter main. Yeah, that. So set parameter main. Set item parameter main. And I want to set a float of the value. Actually, not up. I need to return the value. Yeah, there's like some places where actually declining is illegal. I think they just made it illegal here where I live. So, yeah, it's not everywhere. Not everywhere, Tony. So, I get that. I'm going to do a try catch as usual. And the main error is going to be over here. That should be fine, actually. Let's go to see if I can turn off permanent house arrest. Never! I get out to go outside anymore. It's for your own safety, you little kitty. So, menu items. Index. Set parameter. Right, it's not a set parameter. It's going to be not values. It's gonna, it's gonna be values. Yeah, no, it is gonna be values actually. What does that return? That's returns a menu group, a menu item. Values. The main parameter is going to be that. And I want to return as well the parameter base. But how am I going to do that? I do want to return it. They had to launch a hawk that I just crossed the tree. They just barely reached it with the flat extended. Damn. Yeah, the stream's going well though. Stream's going well. I'm figuring stuff out on the fly here. Just absolutely dying with this. There we And I want to get the different types of parameters. So I'm going to need one for all of these. I can set the parameter, but I can also get it. To get back HD. Yeah, no, it's fine. No, it's all fine. Yeah, to double check if the milkshake arrived yet. Nope, not yet. That was a porcupine. Well, I mean, to be fair, I think to tell people are confusion. You want something that's not super confusing? There. Fine. And now I won't be a porcupine anymore. Also, to be fair, this one, the lighting kind of sucks for this avatar. It's kind of dark. That's why I prefer to put it on this world instead. But it's very bright now. I keep it like that. And minimize it because now it's blowing my eyes out. Okay, where was I? Yeah, so get the parameter. I want to return pep state. Yeah, that's what I want to return. Return state. State. Yeah, return state. Yeah, return state. Return open state on that one. And I also return open state here. So I'm gonna need like two different functions. Get parameter. Main. And get the alter parameter. And it should return the exact same thing. Here at least. Just an idiot. Yeah. Also, I can actually change my angle on that one too. There you go. I'm a bit more full now. Yeah, problem. Oh dear. Open state. There we go. And open state. I do also want to actually get the menu. I also need the alternate one too. Memory group is going to be valid for that last one. Back here, I can return the parameter main. And I can return null here. What bunny? I never heard of a bunny before. French bunny. Ah, yeah, off stream. Yeah. Not again. But that's entirely a bit more the personal stuff, you know. Because it never happened on stream. So that's gonna be value of I'm just gonna double check. Hang on, is it doing that? Okay, so okay, noted. Yeah, I thought the milkshake thing, because I know one of the things that I've put as the snacks, it wouldn't have reached the minimum amount, so I've added like a hot dog in the mix. But that's the slush. The milkshake is just a milkshake. I was like, wait, hang on a second. Is it a milkshake I added a hot dog to? No, it's not a milkshake. Thank God. Yeah, I've been a bit weird, but okay. Yep. I mean, off. And now I want to do the same, but with the alternate parameter. So alt on, alt off. And all I need to do is just change this number to this. And of course this. Yep, that works. So now I can set the parameters, and it also does return. I would also like to have a function tree just get. Yeah, because I can get the menu, I can add a menu, remove a menu, set the menu to type. So I can get the menu and I can set the menu. Okay, add a menu and set the menu type. So I kind of need a variant of these where it's get instead. Oh, you know what? I can probably just keep this. Get item out of main. And this one's gonna be alt. I don't need to set it. I just want to get the index. That way, it's just like get them. I don't need to do a set item parameter. Just set. Because it's already like technically set. I do need a set menu though. For the menu group. Set item menu shut. Usual index. And then menu group or menu, as you call it, menu group. So keep it like that. And I want to return. Okay, so try. So this dot set menu group to menu group. Good. And then return. Actually, I can just return this reference technically. Oh no, you know what? I should probably get that reference, not gonna lie. That way it's going to be properly linked and referenced. Hybrid iced tea. I won't actually need that hybrid iced tea anymore soon once I get that milkshake. So once I get a milkshake, I'm probably going to disable the hydrates. Because milkshake is milkshake. So I can set the item subgroup. And I also want to get the item subgroup. At index, it's literally just this instead. There we go. Easy peasy. So now I should have all the functions to make this work. I could potentially add a function as well to like move up or down the menu in the list. That way, because how a game would read it, it would read from the first item to the last item and display it like that. So you kind of need a way to reorder those menus. So I'm also gonna do a public. Do I need a? I can potentially do, you know what? And I move menu item up. Let's see if I can implement that. So I want int index so what I'm gonna need from that index, I want to move up in the list and take the one it replaces and move it down. So they kind of swap place. And I'm gonna return a list with the first one being the one you wanted to move. The second one is the one that was affected. So I'm gonna do a try catch, of course. And that try, okay, let's see. Menu items has to list that one. Yep. Index. Can I just move somewhere else? Boy. Okay, there is no way to actually swap them that easy. Unless I use something like link. Which I don't have here. And I never really used link, I never really understood it. Let's see, an easy way would be I do to move affected. So I'm gonna do to move equals priority items index affected menu items index -1. And if there's an error, hang on a second. I think the treat arrived. I think it might have arrived. Hang on a second. I am not sure, huh? Hang on, I'm gonna go check our BRB. I am back. And guess what? The treat has arrived. The milkshake. And it looks good. It looks real good. A second as I take a photo of it so I can post it on just on the street. Hang on a second. Now you know it's there. I like the name on it. It's just numbers. Whoops, daisies. I guess they did not have a name. I guess I got them a second. Getting the picture up. I can open it. Well, yeah, put it on that channel before. So hang on a second. Yep. Getting the photo of it. Hang on a second, check this out. It exists. It's a milkshake. I love it. Milky shakey. It looks really good. Not gonna lie. Well, yeah, Junior, that's for you. That's yours. You got me this. Can we get us trying this? How does a milkshake go? Never had a milkshake before. YOLO. Actually pretty good. I like it a lot. Well, I'm gonna go disable the hydrates because I'm gonna be drinking this the entire fucking night. Too many buttons. This one. That one. Oh boy. No, I won't get drowned because there's a delay of 2 hours per treat. And knowing how much time there's left right now, yeah, there is no way there's anyone else that's gonna order something right now. Yeah, it kind of sucks though that it doesn't deliver to some places. Well, that'd be nice though. You, I mean, at least you can order for other people. So. 14 milkshakes. Imagine the delivery guy just like, yes, there's 14 milkshakes. What are you doing? Like, what the heck are you doing with 14 milkshakes? I mean, like that it's, okay, no, I can't explain it. Blame my viewer. 28 milkshake wounds. 28 milkshake wounds. 48 hours to get 14 milkshakes. Oh god. You could technically get me 24 milkshakes in 48 hours. Technically. Oh my god. I did ever see Jeremy Tosco was good. Oh god. Don't do it. Fucking don't. Oh, that milkshake's actually going pretty fast. Not gonna lie. It's really good. No, 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 no. No, no, I have to know. Yeah. Well, I like my cat. Oh my god, yeah, a cat. Yeah, cash, that would happen if one of the items is wrong. Debugged up. I guess I have the wrong warning. This item and index. Index cannot be moved upwards, or this index does not exist. It's a trick anyway. Milliseconds. Oh god. 40 milliseconds for 20 type booms. I mean, no. I mean, if this index is wrong, it's not going to continue moving it, so it should be fine. If I were to go menu items, index -1 equals to move, menu items, index equals affected. And I can return a new list of menu items which would contain to move and an affected. And here I just return null. And there we go. I can move an item up. Move an item down. It's literally the inverse of this. +1. And can be moved downwards. Oh, this item does not exist. There we go. Oh, no. I mean, to be fair, I do like that milkshake. It's really good. I'm over half done already. Man, now I gotta try the Oreo one, aka cookies and cream. Got one more. I've not watched too much SpongeBob. I'm not sure which episode that is, but but yes, we don't need 24 milkshakes. What kind of 48 milkshakes? Oh, guys, please don't give me the impetus. I'm gonna explode. I'm gonna become fat. Too many milkshakes. Yeah, try to say don't give Austin ideas. Yeah, we need to not give you ideas because that's how bad stuff happens. Yeah, yeah, you are, and that's why you're becoming broke. Would you actually send me 48 milkshakes? Don't you have anything better to send than milkshakes? Why does the Steam VR keep Bob? Okay, Steam VR. But yeah, that won't be an issue. I know. Still. Feel lucky that you don't have a mortgage to pay off. Because I would buy a lot of things if I did not have to pay for mortgage for electricity. Unless you're paying for an apartment, which is fucking worse. Okay, to be fair, yeah, cash student loan debts. Okay, yeah, but yeah, that's fair. That is fair. It kind of qualifies, yes. I'm not sure if that's like same or more than a mortgage. It depends on the place, but after the interview. So, what do you want to be able to get out of this job? The ability to sit in a streamer and watch 48 milkshakes. You're hired. Imagine if it would go like this. It's just a Mr. Yeah, honestly, Austin, you're the Mr. Beast incarnate. At this point. What's the person in front of you? Damn, Austin. Boy. My boy. Timid Ashton. Okay, I think I'm done with this damn script now. I'm done for now. I'm gonna move on to the scriptable object. Get this menu out of my damn face. Yeah. So, scriptable object. How does one do it? I will not be SDK specific. It would be VR itself. Good question. And that just scares me. I am scared. So many properties, yeah, that script is pretty much done for. I'm gonna do another C# script. Avatar, menu, item. Actually, not item, group. So I'm gonna need two things. I'm gonna need group, and I'm also gonna need parameters. So the group scriptable object would be what contains the groups, and like just the list of groups and stuff, etc., 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 up to 10 items, or 8 for now, but 10 potentially in the future if I increase it. And then you have avatar menu parameters. Which that will be all the different parameters. But that, honestly, that will be a bit more tricky, since there needs to be some kind of limit, or at least a byte count, potentially. So I feel like I would do like a boolean is 1 byte. Well, not 1 byte, 1 bit, because it's 1 or 0. And then int and float can be 1 byte each. And then the parameter list would register that, and then in the metadata of the avatar in the future, that would get registered. And yeah, the game will be able to read that, and it would decide what to do with it. So what the heck is my damn mirror? My mirror ain't working. No, my mirror broke. Dang it. Anyway, menu grow. But before doing a group, need to do avatar menu parameters. And I've worked with scriptable objects in the past for my personal play game. So I kind of know a bit around it. It's been a while though since I've done any kind of scriptable object. All I know is that, at least to the start, I've replaced mono behavior by scriptable object. So start an update, no need for that. So like a scriptable object, check this out. Let's just start basic. So scriptable object, just set your scriptable object like that. You replace mono behavior by scriptable object, and automatically it stops being a mono behavior and it becomes a class that defines that type of scriptable object. Let's say I put a public bool, whatever the name, and I'm gonna save this. If I go back into Unity, I can right click, and in my create menu, actually I don't think you'll see it. No, you won't actually see it because of how my captures is done. And I am missing still something in the script anyways. Yeah, so I need to add, it's gonna be, yeah, could I do a create asset submenu, for which I'm gonna put into a folder called VRA, and I think you split like that. If I recall correctly. Or file name. First off, file name is the new file name. The second one is going to be the actual menu itself. And the third one is the order. That does not work like this though. gotta go recheck quick on scriptable objects just to refresh my mind, but it's something like this that has to happen. Ah, because it needs to be like file name equals this, menu name equals this, and order equals this. There you go. Now it is correct. I'm gonna save this. And now check this out. I'm gonna have to go into my full screen display. But if I right click, create, and you're gonna notice VRA here, and then my avatar parameters. Which I can click, and by default it creates with the name I set, so avatar parameters. And I can just test parameters. And as you can see, I have a oof here. On and off. But I can create multiple ones. And they can all have their own states. So this is how scriptable objects work in Shell. And this is how most games do it. Like VRChat, it's a scriptable object, most likely. But those scriptable objects have their own special inspector. Which I've rarely done. I've only done it for like this here. And it was an absolute pain. And I'm not excited to do that again. I'm definitely gonna have to do that again though. I'm not excited for it. But I will have to do it. But for now, let's just focus on getting the parameter list done. So I'm gonna have to use mystudios.vra.resources. Windows, shut up! Out of menus. That is a class. Does it have anything underneath? No, it does not have anything underneath. Okay, so how do they do this again? Hang on a second. Yoke. Someone Proton just turned off. Yep, someone is a Proton that turned on. God knows where, though. Nice. Problem. I have to do avatar menus dot parameters. Wait to work. I gotta move that blue first. Avatar menu parameters. Like that. No. Hang on, avatar menus. Where does that come from then? Ah, it's the two scripts. Never mind. Avatar menus dot. There we go. Parameters. Base. And if you remember in the base parameter, you have a name, a type, and if it's saved, and also a buttload of functions. And each type has their own value too. So I need to make a list of that. It's going to be a list of these parameters. And I'm going to start with one of them. I'll start with one of them. Actually, no, I can't actually like that, no. I'll have to create it via... So we're just gonna start out with 0 in there for now. So I have the list of parameters, which will have a value, a saved, the name, and of course the type. I also want to keep track of a couple of things here. But now how am I going to organize stuff? Because there's some stuff I don't want to actually make public or private or whatever. It's going to depend on the which variable it is. Because I need something to track the parameters. I'm going to need something, an int, to keep track of the bytes used. But mostly that, bytes used, int, and also potentially a limit, which I can set to -1 for now. And that will be a constant. So I need a way to display that list. Because if I do a public of this, you'll notice it won't actually appear. It will not actually appear in the inspector because it cannot be serialized. So to actually make it appear in the inspector, I'm going to go into properties and set a couple things serializable. I'm going to set parameter base to be serializable. Including all the different types of parameters. Including the menus too. I want to serialize this. Right? Okay, I can't actually serialize this bit. Maybe I'll apply for it later, but let's not focus on that for now. As long as these ones are serializable. Can I potentially put this serializable now? No. I don't think it actually needs to be serializable. I don't think it actually needs. Let's just try it like that. Noted. Still nothing. So I must be missing something. Ah! Of course. It's not system serializable, it's serialized field that I need. Not working either. I'm still missing something. I potentially need to set the system serializable to. Potentially. Oh, it's taking longer. Okay, no, still nothing. Lurker pap. Yes. So many systems. Do I need to also set these to serializable? I can't do the interface then. Serialize field? I can serialize field the eye parameter. That's interesting. What? I can't serialize field an interface. How does that even work? And let's check this. And still nothing. I am still missing somewhere something that I'm probably gonna need to actually display those parameters. The serialized field works here. Parameter base is set to system serializable. Is it because it's abstract? I wonder. I wonder if, is it because it's abstract? No, it's not because it's abstract. Actually, no, I need to change this still. I need to change this from parameters to AF. Okay, it might be because it's abstract. I can't actually display it. Because I can display that field. That one does show. But not parameter based, because it is most probably abstract. What if I did? I'm gonna look it up. Display abstract Yeah, serialize a reference. There's reference. Oh, my go figure. Is that actually element 0? Yeah. Alright, well, that explains it. So serialize reference. So it does display an element, but there's nothing I can do with that element. Let's check parameter base quick. Do I need a serialized reference for all of these? That doggo, bad doggo here. Hello, doggo. Hey, my doggo, hello. Welcome to this mess again. Absolute big mess. And milkshakes. Never mind, there's no more milkshakes. How you doing? Hopefully it ain't good. You know, we could do what we should do. The fuck? Nah, fuck. Yeah, okay, that sounds... Without context, this sounds very wrong. It's... At least the first part. It sounds pretty wrong. Yeah, just to be safe. Yeah, the first part did not sound right, I'm sorry. If you just say you would like to throw you a bunch of beach balls, that would be fine. But how it was said, I'm sorry, it was not the best. You remember, my stream is not like... You shouting that phrase. Why do you mean shouting that phrase? So, wow, my face is not speech-shattable. What do you mean? What do you mean it's speech-shattable? I don't see how it is. After further investigation, I might not be able to do that with a regular inspector. Use the rudder and use the fish rudder word. Yeah, unused because it's not supposed to be used there. Cause what do you say to that to someone? Immediately, if they don't read the rest, they will immediately think, all right, they want this. Okay, okay. So yeah, I won't be able to actually display this in the inspector without a custom inspector. I'm screwed, ain't I, huh? I am very screwed with this. Oh, no, that's gonna be absolutely awful. Yeah, I'm gonna have to write a custom inspector for this. I'm doing good apart from that. Apart from the fact I'm gonna have to suffer through custom inspectors. Oh god, how does one even write a custom inspector already? Oh no. Hang on. And now I'm gonna have to do an editor folder, that's for sure. Editor folder, and then use I read VRC for a second. No, it's Avatar VR controller. So I want Avatar menu parameters editor for the custom editor. And I'm gonna have to use using Unity editor, custom editor. How do I write one already? Is there a type of after many parameters? Does that work? No. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna open up one of my other custom editors. Oh, that's an example. Okay. Let's see how I wrote one already. So I'm gonna put like, okay, namespace inside the SDK. That's step one. And step two, it needs to be like this. So it needs to be editor. So it's an editor script. And I put the reference to type of, I'm gonna have to be using my Studio VRA. But I do need to put a namespace for this one too. So Mike Studios, oh, yeah, Mike. VRA. And that's gonna be components. That should be fine. Smack this in here. So I can be using my studios.vra.components. And I can then also use resources to access menus and stuff, potentially. I might eat this. So there's a couple of things that needs to happen. Okay, wasn't seeing anything I was doing. So I have added alter menu parameters into VRA components. And the class itself is set to editor, for which above there's a custom editor field of type of the actual thing I need to modify, which in this case will be avatar menu parameters. And there's still a couple of things to do for the initialization, I think. If I open this, I need, it's just one big, it's mostly that function here I need. So no start, no update, it's going to be an uninspected GUI. Because the inspector runs it with a GUI, of course. And every time it gets refreshed or validated, that function runs. And it tells the inspector how to actually display stuff. So I could say, for example, here, I'm gonna need a couple things. Because here's the thing, I can do base, and I can get variables and stuff. So if this here like this is public, I think I can just do, can I do parameters? No, I can't. I don't think I can use it like that. Hang on a second. I really need to remember how to use base dot. No. How to get that variable, because now we need to get that to display it. So how? Right. I need to get the avatar settings. But how to get that? Where is that variable actually declared? Here. It's gonna be target. That's what I need. So I can probably do this. And then do this, target. There you go. And now I can get the actual base script. And now if I do, there should be it's gonna be layouts, editor, GUI layout. Let's say make it a vertical. And let's say a label. Let's see if we can get one of the parameters. Text field. And now that would be just say like the name. So text field is gonna be like this. After okay, whatever name, comma, and then the variable actually wants. So I could potentially do, let's see if I can actually avatar menu parameters dot parameters. I can get the parameters. But I have none right now, actually. That's true. I actually have none. There is no parameter right now. So what I'm gonna do quick as a test, I'm gonna keep a count of parameters. Do I need a count? I don't think I need a count. I just need for loop. I just need a count of that. And then display in the field. Can I even get parameter name, parameter type, and saved? So I want to display the name. Is it vertical or horizontal I need to use, actually? I don't know, actually. I'm gonna start a vertical. Inside here. Make it vertical. And I'm gonna want a couple things. Where's the field? So nothing to start with. Actually. Yeah, start like this. And I'm gonna set this second to be this. Because a set accessor is inaccessible. Right. I need to instead do set. Wait, do I even have a editor set parameter? That's it. Editor. Can I even editor set parameter? There it goes. Set parameter name to this text field, like so. Okay, and that did it. But I also need to save it somehow. If I go to like camera position, what do I have here? Nothing. That's the label, then it's the value. That could be wrong. That could very well be wrong. But let's say name. Then type could be, I need a drop down. How do I do a drop down already? And I did a drop down somewhere here for stuff here. Ah, this, a new pop-up. That should be fine. Oh, Savage, oh, hi, Ah, you saw my hat in fur. Oh, wow. Been a while since I've been there. Damn. Very nice. Very nice. How you doing today? Pretty good. Okay, now I'm realizing type is only set to be int. But it does expect outer menus to parameter type. Which I need to look into. I'm trying to make an avatar menu system similar to VR chat CVR for my own avatar system. It's complicated, but slowly moving forward. I'm onto the actual scriptable object bit now, and I have to make a custom editor for it, which is an absolute pain. I've never really worked with custom editors. Only once or twice. Like, I think the furthest I've done is this. this. That's the furthest I've done in terms of like custom inspectors. It sucked. And now I'm making more of them. Because Unity sucks. So did you get this? I would have already about to type what do I need to get? I need to get outer menu parameters dot parameters, I think, yeah. Parameters I dot parameter type. Does that work? Because this is an int. No, it is a parameter type. So it would work. Oh, I'm missing bracket here. Ah. So I have the type. I can set the type now, or at least just display it. Set save behavior. That will be a bit more complicated. Maybe. Maybe not. Is there check marks? I want to set save behavior. Toggle. Yeah, there is. But is this field correct though? I think it is. It should be. Should be fine. So toggle. That does not work like that. AT custom inspector toggle. Oh, yeah, saved. That does not work like this. that should be after them. Potentially. So now this should not display actually anything. No, because there's actually no object to display here. There's no item in the damn thing. But else, I still need to actually have a field for the value. But I want to start with this. I don't want to start with this, so I'm gonna add a button. So if that button is pressed, I'm gonna add a new parameter base. I can't actually do this. And do a parameter bool. I'm gonna move at 0. If that count is not 0, of course. If it is bigger than 0, do it. So now there should be 2 buttons. Yeah, so add an element or remove an element. So if I press add element, what's gonna happen? Is it actually going to display correctly, or is it going to fail displaying? Honestly, with how I've been lucky with the inspectors, I feel like that's going to be a fail. Well, YOLO. Oh shit! Value cannot be null. Parameter key. Where? How about the name actually null? Oh, it's actually null. Alright, it is actually null by default. Well then. I think I saw a way to do a constructor, however. less abstract. If I do... If I do like this, does that work? Can I use this as a constructor? Because a constructor works, but I can't actually make of that. Righto. Probably because it's an interface, probably. I can't declare a body on that either. I have to delete this. I mean, I could potentially keep it. But in here, kind of tempted to put these as slope too. But that just completely mess up the conversion. E. It's complicated. E. Hey, Tony. Have a good night. E. Oh my god, everyone had the E's. Come on. My brain right now trying to figure out this shit. It's just going ape shit. Absolutely going ape shit. Okay, just set the value to float. And I can also change this to and I kind of flipped it actually. If value is smaller than that. No, I need to make it bigger. Set value and set default. Where does it get pound name from? Ah. I see. Hang on, getting there. Damn, that's a complete constructor. So then I need to do the exact same here. And finally the same here. And now we're back to that error. But I can now create a parameter bool with those set in by default. Or at least have nothing in there. Because now it should create with new things. There are still errors, however. Probably because I did not save here. Okay, we are back at 0 with just these two. Will it work now? Hey! It's getting somewhere. Can select bool in float. I can add a bunch of elements. I can remove them. It's getting there. It's getting there. And I guess I can change like float, int, whatever. Add more elements. Oh, and it deletes the first one. That's not what I want. But it's getting there. So now in the editor, I need to change the... I feel this wrong. But it's getting there. So when I delete an element, I want to remove at avatar parameters.count -1. Oops. There we go, nice, correct. But now I wonder, if I do an edit here, will it reset this? It does reset it. So it does not actually save just yet. Like this actually needs to save here. Like you do stuff and then do stuff, and without resetting the editor, this should not actually reset. So this still has to be figured out, but gotta start here. And I can even like get a little space between the parameters too. So if I quickly go to here, I can add a space. Here. And as you can see, it's gonna reset. But now there should be, that's a bit too much spacing, but there's a bit of spacing now. There we go, just a little bit of space, that way it's a bit more different. But it's getting there. The value, however, is not shown because the type is different. Which is a bit wrong. And if you're wondering how I did that spacing, it's using that line of code right here. Editor UI layout dot space and then whatever space I need. Pretty simple. But Yeah, it's actually getting there. We got viewable parameters. Yeah. Let's go. It's getting there. Pretty good. Nice. If VR is moving forward. Like, before actually working more on the webcam, because the webcam, like, it works pretty fine, but there's some stuff I'm thinking of doing for it. I might need to rewrite it just because of that OpenXR goddamn thing. But it's getting there. It is actually getting there. We've got the start of the scriptable object for the parameters. It's still going to be missing the menus, but once I figure out how to do the parameters, I can almost copy for the menus too. Because the menu is like the same principle where you have a list of menus and you display the parameters and then you save them and stuff. So once I figure this out, I can do the menus a bit more easily, I think. Because it's like a bunch of conditionals, of course. But that's going to be for another time, unfortunately, because we are out of time. The stream's the time for my stream's pretty much over, unfortunately. Let me go back to my studio area. There we go. And yeah. It's VR, it's moving forward. Let's go. Anyway, next stream is going to be this Friday. I don't know what I'm going to play. I did a vote for Peeps in my server. I think it's an announcement. Yeah. I'm kind of considering getting Sonic Frontiers and playing that on Friday. It's a bit expensive, but I've heard it's a really good game. And I've been kind of tempted to play a Sonic game for a while now. So, yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to get it. I've completely avoided spoilers. I want to experience it firsthand. So, yeah. That's probably what I'm going to do on Friday. Shot $80 in it. It's not going to really hurt my wallet too much, at least. But what I spent for like this entire goddamn room, I should be able to survive. But until Friday, you know the drill. Let's go see who to raid. Let me go check who's there for raid. Oh, well, you know what? Well, Sparrow it is. Let's go say hi to Lee Sparrow. Because why in the heck not? Good friend of mine. Fucking love him. Love to do. Don't forget to squawk in the chat. And until Friday, stay safe. And I'll catch you soon. See ya, peeps!